We guide you through how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy phone. So first, open your settings app and scroll down to About Phone, then tap Software Information and locate the build number. Tap the building number or build number 7 times quickly and you'll see a notification that developer mode has been turned on. Go back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and you'll find developer options listed. Open it to access features like USB debugging, animation scale adjustments, and advanced system settings. Remember, some options can affect your phone's performance, so only toggle what you understand. So developer options are now disabled or enabled, giving you the tools to customize your Samsung Galaxy experience and double or troubleshoot apps with ease, all in less than 2 minutes.